I was talking to a friend of mine, and she was giving me 28 tips to manage your credit, and I have it right here. Monitor your credit regularly. You are entitled each year to see your credit report for free with all three credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Keep your credit limits. Keep your balances low. Don't open up all these different cards and with all these different stores. It's not necessary. Mix up your credit, such as automobile and real estate. Know your debt to income ratio, and which means like lenders look at the amount of debt you have compared to your monthly income. Keep it below 35%. Have a secured credit card. A secured credit card is not a regular credit card, but it helps a person to get a better credit score. So, for example, you would go to the bank, for example, and give a deposit for $500. They'll give you a secured credit card. You use that card when you go shopping or when you want to buy gas. Instead of using cash, you will use the card. Now, the following month, you will get a bill in the mail. It shows how much you use. You pay back that money towards that card. That's going to help you with your score. Pay down high interest rate credit cards. You may have like 5 cards and you're trying to pay it down. Pay the higher interest rates first. Pay those down. And live within your means. If you don't need it, don't buy it. And beware of moving debt. A lot of these credit card companies will say, oh, you can transfer the balance. And when you transfer the balance, you have no interest for a whole year. Guess what? That year will go just like that. Credit history has a long memory. Bankruptcies and tax liens stay on your credit for 10 years. Good scores will give you good rates. Pay more than your minimum. And set up alerts. Set up alerts. So just in case that you're getting ready to buy something for $2,000 or $1,000, get an alert sent right to you in a text or an email to make sure. This way you're making sure that you're the one that charged it, not somebody else. Open credit cards only when you need it. And don't be late. Pay everything on time. This is why you take advantage of the automatic payment. And think before closing an account, because closing credit card accounts may lower your available credit and could hurt your score in the short term. Always pay on time. Take advantage of the auto pay. Say, for example, that most of your money is like on the 21st of the month. You have the auto payments for the credit cards come out on the 21st. That way you're covered, and that's going to help your credit score. Check reports for errors. Check all your credit reports for errors. And be patient. This takes time. It didn't happen overnight, but it takes time. Check your credit score regularly. Banks sometimes give you that option where you can see your credit score without it being an inquiry. And establish a credit with a cosigner if you need to. Bank online regularly. And see, when you check your credit card activity regularly with online banking, instead of waiting for your paper statement to arrive through the mail, you're able to see regular bills. You're able to see everything online. And be cautious on who you apply with. Yes, be cautious. And always provide complete information on applications. Let me say that again. Always provide complete information on applicants. And know that others view your credit. The credit card companies, they review your credit because they want to see if you're paying on time. And contact your lenders if there's any type of dispute. My name is Minnie. I'm with Keller Williams Realty, Hudson Valley United. I am a realtor. I've been a realtor for many, many years, and I'm here to help you. If you have any questions about buying a home, selling a home, or you need help with something, call me. I'm here to help you. Thank you.